It is a settlement designed to help right a wrong from a case that shocked many back in 2015.
And that is when the former chief of Chatham County Probate Court pled guilty to stealing money from young victims the court was supposed to be protecting.
Now 11 people may be getting some justice. WSAV's Joanne Merrigan spoke to one of the plaintiffs today and is here now with a closer look.
Yeah, this was a civil case, and the attorney says that his 11 clients lost more than $400,000 in all of this. 5 of those young victims were the children of parents who had died in the Imperial Sugar explosion. The largest theft was from a boy who was 9 years old and whose mother had died of a heart attack.
How can you steal from orphans? How do you do that?
Brent Savage says sometimes this case still shocks him. In July of 2015, Kim Burge, who was the chief clerk of probate court, pled guilty to stealing more than $200,000. But he says his clients lost twice that amount.
The largest victim was Matthew Drayton. $232,000 was the exact amount of insurance she stole. A lot of people from Imperial Sugar who lost their fathers.
Savage says this week court testimony from the county auditor indicated as much as $1 million may have been stolen over a period of 8 years. He says as far back as 2008, there were signs that Burge was doing something.
And then she went into warp speed in about 2011 and would steal $150 to $250 a year.
It was in 2011 that Michelle Moore came in contact with Burge. Her sister had died of a heart attack and left her nephew, Matthew Drayton, a large insurance policy. Moore says she was instructed to see Burge in probate court and then found out that Burge had contacted the insurance company.
That she wanted the money to be sent directly to her and skip me.
She still remembers the day she found out the money had been stolen.
I felt like somebody had just took my whole heart out. How do you go home and tell a 9-year-old that has lost his mom, that has a single woman that has worked hard all her life to provide for him, and now there's not a dime? I didn't go look for her. They gave me her. And so somewhere down the line, they knew she was a thief.
Kim Burge is serving a 6-year prison term in federal prison. The settlement says that plaintiffs can have money from the sale of her home, but Burge's husband may live in the home until his death. The plaintiffs are also supposed to receive half of Burge's $60,000 yearly pension from the county if she gets that pension. Now, Moore told us today this was about more than just getting money. She said this was about standing up for what was right. Joanne Merrigan, WSAV News 3.